always clean myself with water. So that's the reason why I always wanted to have a bidet. Finally, I got my bidet. I think bidet is too gay to say. I call it bidet, alright? Call it whatever you want. Use your common sense. Empty your tank. Remove that. Because we will replace it with this letter T. Yeah. It's going to drip a little bit. It's all up to you. If you're going to let the water drip there, or you can use a rug. Common sense. I'm going to use a rug. See that? That common sense doesn't work at all. It says the L here. It goes in here. It depends on the orientation of your stuff or your toilet. Or it could be also done this way, the other way. In my case, I have to do it this way. So, there's T, that goes in there, and then this goes here. And then that line over there, it goes here. Yeah? Common sense. Let's install. Find the tools that you can use to tighten it up. I have that, I have this, and I have that. I don't know. Let's use this one. Oop. I think that's tight enough. But definitely tape. I don't think so. In order for you to remove it, just unscrew it like that, or just like turn it. Don't forget that. Don't lose that one. It depends on the orientation of your stuff. So I can reverse this. I'll reverse it. Like so. Just reverse it. Fine. Like what I said, the orientation dictates. I'm almost done. I'll see. Tighten it up. Find a way. I think that's good enough. Very nice. Neutral. Rear. Washing your front over here if you want. Yes, you can do that. My friends, and I was able to install Swash CL150 non-electric bidet toilet seat. Non-electric bidet. Come on, it's bidet. Hey, and regarding tools, I forgot to mention tools. Find any tools that will do the job. There you go. So it's a very nice product. And hey, and after I'm done with my job,